Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a video landing page. A video landing page is a powerful tool designed to capture visitor attention and guide them toward a specific goal. It leverages the engaging nature of video to communicate your message quickly and effectively. We will cover the essential elements, optimization strategies, and best practices to help you create a high-performing page that converts visitors into valuable leads or customers. Now, let's dive into the essential components of an effective video landing page. Your main video should be the star, positioned prominently so visitors see it immediately. Directly below or beside it, include a clear call to action button, guiding users on their next step. Remember to craft a compelling headline and supporting text that reinforces your video's message, keeping the overall design clean and focused to avoid any distractions. Optimizing your video landing page is crucial for maximizing conversions. Always /B test different elements, such as video thumbnails and call to action button texts, to see what resonates best with your audience. Ensure your page is fully responsive, providing a seamless experience on all mobile devices. Aim for fast loading times, ideally under 3 seconds, by optimizing your video file size. Regularly track key metrics like video watch time and conversion rates to continuously improve performance. To wrap up, remember these best practices for your video landing page. Keep your video concise, ideally under 2 minutes, to maintain viewer engagement. Incorporate social proof, such as testimonials or trust badges, to build credibility with your audience. Always provide clear navigation options for visitors seeking more information. Finally, continuously analyze your data and iterate on your page design. By following these steps, you will create a highly effective video landing page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.